I work with our customers to create a communication strategy to maximize their people's involvement in improvement work and use KaiNexus to do so. After working with so many organizations, we've discovered what really works to get people engaged in the system and what habits need to be created in order to do so. By establishing organizational habits, we increase participation, leading to a deeper and broader improvement culture. Much of the work we do is based upon the habit loop, a concept coined by author Charles Duhigg in The Power of Habit. This consists of cues, routines, and rewards. So as we think through the 5 personas in KaiNexus, we need to think about what cues, routines, and rewards are needed to inspire each of these. What cues will your frontline users need in order to remember to use KaiNexus? How can we establish a routine for executives to participate in KaiNexus? What are the rewards for managers engaging in the system? I'm really excited to dive into the nuances of your organization and figure out how we can get people excited about using KaiNexus to improve your organization.